Hey guys, it's Jadia, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a pack with me for my trip to Europe. I leave tomorrow and I have not packed it all yet. This is also going to be a little bit of a try on because I got some new things and I guess I'll show you guys. I don't really know why because you'll see them when I pack them, but I just want to try them on so you guys can see. I plan on vlogging or just like taking videos of my trip, which I'm just so excited to go because I have not been there yet. I'm going to visit some family that lives there. Honestly, I don't really know what to say, so let's just get on into the packing and me showing you guys what I'm bringing on my trip. Why is this lighting so horrible? Probably because I'm filming kind of late. It's 3 o'clock, so I would explain it. Basically this is my suitcase. I might be bringing another one depending on if everything fits in this one, because I know that I'm going to probably be buying stuff while I'm there. So I guess let's just start off with my everyday clothes. I'm going to be there, that's not what I wanted, from July 1st until the 18th. So I need 1, 2, 6. Wow. I need 2 weeks and 4 days worth of clothes, maybe a little bit more. That's actually a lot. I don't really have that many clothes, so I'm going to be re-wearing some of the clothes that I'm bringing. I guess we'll start off with like the new stuff that I just bought because that's probably like the stuff I know I'm for sure going to bring. This is the first thing that I am bringing. It's just like this shirt that I got that I love. It's from Canon, but it's from the Brandy Melville section of This shirt is from Canon, but like the Brandy Melville. This shirt is from Canon, but the Brandy Melville section of it. So it's not like from the actual store because we don't have any actual Brandy Melville stores where I live. And since where I'm going is going to be cold, I definitely wanted something that was kind of like warm, comfy, and cute. There's no way everything's gonna fit in here. The next thing is this cropped shirt. It says honey on it. It's pretty basic, but I mean, I really like the color. And yeah, I'd probably roll up the sleeves. The sleeves are just super long. You know what? I'm actually not gonna try on anything anymore because everything's just gonna be a hassle to put on. So you're welcome for this last shirt. That was also from the Brandy Melville section of Canon. But these next two things are just from Canon. This is kind of like my haul part because this is a new thing. I got this blue shirt and it has like this tie in the front. You can definitely see it. And I just really like how this looks. I wanted a tie front shirt and I literally cannot talk. I tried one on at Canon and it was the ugliest thing I've ever tried on in my life. So I didn't get it. But this is a medium and it was $30. So wow. And the next thing I got is this shirt, and it's the same style shirt, except instead of a tie, it has 2 buttons in the middle. You can't even see. It has 2 buttons right here, and this one has like orangish, yellowish, reddish flowers on it. And this one was a size extra small, so I don't know why this one fit me in an extra small and the other one fit me in a medium. The next thing I'm bringing is this USA shirt. Since I'll be spending the 4th of July there, I thought I'd rep my country, you know. So I'm going out of order, but honestly, like, I don't really care. So next thing I'm bringing are these shorts. They're from Canon. They're size 25 and they're high-rise shorts. I really like these, but I feel like they're kind of not flattering on me since they are like not tight. They really like flare out a lot. But I mean, I wear them a lot, so I guess I must really like them. Then I'm bringing this belt. This is my favorite belt and the only belt that actually fits me that I don't have to poke holes in. And this one was from Brandy Melville, part of Pakistan as well. The next thing I'm bringing is this shirt, and it's white with yellow polka dots, and it's definitely not broken in the back, but I like it. I think it's super cute, super flowy. I'm also going to be taking this top. It's basically the same style top that I'm bringing with all my other ones, where it's white, super flowy, and it has like these flowers on it, and then it has like this tie in the front. You probably can't see it because I'm so far away. So I'm also going to be bringing this, what a surprise, another white flowy shirt. I really just need to stop my addiction to white flowy shirts. But this one has a tie in the back, and this one's also from Pakistan. I'm basically just bringing my whole closet because I want to make sure I have a lot of choices, you know, a lot of options as to what I want to bring. Because what if one day I'm just like not feeling the outfit I packed for myself? Like, what am I going to do? I'm just going to go naked or something? No. So if I just bring everything, I'll eventually find something. Okay, so basically just stopped recording, but I was counting how many pants I had, and I forgot how many I have now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. I definitely want these pants because I love these pants oh so much. They're nice mom jean. Oh, from Pakistan. I should probably show you guys what I'm packing. Wow, I'm fake. I'll just show you guys the top two things. So these, I am so far away, I can barely even see myself. So these are my black Lulus. I don't even know what they're called. Maybe like run times 2, like fun times, or like run. Then I'm bringing these. They're mom jeans from Pakistan, size 25. So basically I need a second suitcase because obviously not everything's gonna fit in there. So now I'm gonna put my pajama bottoms in here. And then I put all the rest of my pajamas in there along with my undies. Then I have this shirt, sweater thing, I don't really know. Then I have this red one that I love oh so much. It's a big chunky sweater. Who would have thought I'd be packing sweaters in summer? And then I guess I'll do this Baylor one first. And then the Harvard one can be last. And then just this random top, I guess I'll bring that. So clothes-wise, I think that's all that I'm bringing. So that's all that I'm going to be showing you guys, just because like there's no point of showing you guys like my curling iron or my toothbrush, because I'm gonna bring a lot of like necessity things that I just don't think I need to show. If you guys want to see the outfits, like what they look like on, besides the like 2 shirts I showed you guys, definitely check out my Instagram. It is down in the description. Throughout the entire trip, I'll try to vlog every day, even if we're not really doing anything. So maybe like an outfit of the day, and you guys can actually see what the outfits look like on. Did you guys like that video? If you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want to see a Europe vlog, because I definitely plan on doing that. Don't forget to check out my social media. It's always linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!